Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open Toyota 4runner trunk. Start with the key fob release, then try the exterior handle, and finish with the interior lever if needed. I walk you through common reasons a trunk might not open, like dead battery or locked child safety settings. Follow each step calmly and test between attempts so you avoid damaging the latch or straining the motor. In this video, I will show how to open Toyota 4runner trunk. Press the trunk button on the key fob and wait for the latch to click, then pull the liftgate handle. If nothing happens, swap to a spare fob or replace the battery and try again. I describe how to recognize a weak signal versus a mechanical failure and when to move on to manual options to prevent getting locked out. In this video, I will show how to open Toyota 4runner trunk. Use the exterior handle with steady upward force, and if that fails, open the rear seats to reach the interior emergency lever. Pull the lever firmly toward the rear while an assistant lifts the hatch to relieve pressure. Inspect the latch and remove debris, then operate the handle again to avoid bending components or stressing the motor during.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.